Hey everyone, this is Asal and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna do the most effective face to glow exercises, which are anti-aging and lifting. If you repeat this routine daily for 14 days, you will definitely see the results. It's gonna be a quick routine, so let's start. First of all, we're gonna start with lymphatic drainage system. So we start on our collarbone areas. We start by massaging them slowly for 10 seconds. You can even tap on the collarbone areas if you prefer. We're gonna go up to the neck, but the sides of the neck, and we're gonna do this movement coming down on the neck for 10 times. Then we're gonna go to the back of the neck and we're gonna start massaging slightly back of the neck for 10 seconds. Okay, we're gonna go up to our ears, do the V with your fingers, move up and down over the ears for 10 seconds. Then come to the nose sides and start massaging. Going up under the brows and start massaging it, all of them for 10 seconds. Then come to the temples and massage the temples as well. Now we are done with opening the lymph nodes and we can start our massage. We're gonna start with our neck. For the neck, I'm gonna just hold the collarbone area like this. There's no pressure on this area, I'm just holding. And then I'm gonna just look up, slightly up to the sky, and then I'm gonna just turn my head while I'm gonna push my chin forward and turn my head to the left and right. Okay, after doing this for 10 times, for the next exercise, I'm gonna go to the double chin and jawline area. So I'm gonna pinch my chin and then I'm gonna move towards my ears like this while I'm pushing upwards and outwards with my thumbs. And I'm gonna repeat this for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 'Then again, I'm going to come down on my neck. Then I'm going to go up to the jowls. With 2 fingers, I'm going to go up to the side of my nose for 10 times. For lips, I'm going to do scissors movement and I'm going to go up to the ears for 10 times. So this movement also works on the buccal fat area and these areas and helps the face to look more slim. So the next exercise would be for smile lines and also the cheeks. So the things that I'm gonna do, first I'm gonna unfold smile lines for 10 seconds and then I'm gonna lift up to sculpt the cheeks. So let's start. First 10 seconds. So as you can see, I'm just turning my fingers like this, unfolding the lines. This exercise will also help with lifting the lips. So let's go to the next exercise. With the sides of my hands, I'm gonna move upwards and outwards to my ears for 10 times to sculpt the cheeks. Okay, a little massage here. Coming down on the neck. Okay, next exercise would be for under eyes and dark circles. So easy, just for 10 or 15 seconds. We're gonna just tap under the eyes like this with fingertips, only to increase the blood circulation. So we're gonna help our skin renewal. Okay, next we're gonna go to the crow's feet area. And the thing that I'm gonna do here is just moving them and pushing them away from each other. I'm doing this for 10 times or 10 seconds. Next one. I'm doing for 10 times. I'm gonna go to the eye areas and under my brows for hooded eyes or puffy eyes. Or you can do this when you wake up with puffy eyes in the morning. The thing that I'm gonna do is again taking scissors, then push to the temples. A little up and out. I'm gonna do this for 10 times, but you can do for 20 times even. But the most important thing is that when you finish, slightly massage the temples for 5 seconds, not so much, and then come to the ears. So we are just moving the extra fluid under the skin. Just that. We're almost done. So the last exercise would be for forehead and for lifting the forehead. So this is my favorite exercise because it's like practical and it has everything in it. So with all of your fingers, you're gonna just go up, but the thumbs would be on the temples, moving upward. So this is for foxy eyes, and the other ones are for lifting the forehead and eyebrows also, and unfolding the wrinkles. So I'm gonna do this for 10 times. Like this, you move to the scalp. So you can do as many as you want, but 10 to 15 is enough. As you can see, even now my eyebrows are lifted and you can see the results are so fast and so visible. It's I think 10 minutes. So you can see the fast results. So just imagine if you do this in 14 days, how much results you can get. I think I'm gonna put my before picture somewhere here. So this was it for today's video. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to ask me your questions down below in the comment section. So as you know, I reply to everyone. So don't think that no, she's not gonna reply. So I'm trying to reply to everyone. Until now, I reply to everyone. You can ask me anything about beauty, about health, about skincare, and I try my best to give you the most useful response that I can. Don't forget to like the videos and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!